divine. Alike, mortals and divine beings alike. Welcome to an evening of grandeur, elegance, and majesty. Tonight, we stand beneath Ladies and gentlemen, we are all welcome the entrance of the goddesses and our respective court. Fourth princess, Miss Perry Mangapis, granddaughter of Mr. and Mrs. Philip Mangapis, and escorted by Mr. Mark, Glenn, and Tara, son of Mr. and Mrs. Nerio and Tara, and sponsored by Purong 4, Honorable Alfredo Madal, Honorable Romualdo Hinano, and Purong President Edna Magasa. Miss Perry Mangapis is our fourth goddess. Mr. and Mrs. Philip Mangapis, and she is escorted by Mr. Mark, Glenn, and Tara, son of Mr. and Mrs. Nerio and Tara. Third goddess, Miss Elgin Babes D. Sarino, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Elvis Sarino. And she is escorted by Mr. Philip L. Pulaiva, son of Mr. and Mrs. Zaldi T. Pulaiva. Our third goddess is sponsored by Toronto, Honorable Annalisa Forras, Honorable Arnold Sarino, and Honorable President Hilda Sarwala. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Elvis Sarino, and escorted by Glenn L. Pulaiva, son of Mr. and Mrs. Zaldi T. Pulaiva. Our second goddess, Miss Charina B. Boycafe, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rosevilla Baluabo, escorted by Mr. Joey Franco Marciro, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jufel Marciro. And she is sponsored by Purong Juan Tatas, Honorable President Apolinario Abdullah. Our Senate Princess, Miss Sharina P. Boycott, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roselia Palomabo, and escorted by Mr. Joey Franco Marcelo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Juvil Marcelo. Our first goddess, Miss Mary Joy P. Racho, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Serapio Racho, and she is escorted by Renzi P. Biligorio, son of Mr. and Mrs. Irene Pando. Our first goddess, sponsored by Purok Bye-Bye, Honorable Jason is the one and Purok President Mrs. Rowena Pando. Our first goddess, Miss Mary Joy P. Racho, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Serapio Racho, and escorted by Mr. Renzi P. Gregorio, son of Mr. and Mrs. Irene Pando. And now, let us marvel at their grace and poise, worthy of celestial admiration. Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the grand entrance of our Miss Barangay Dawn 2025, Miss Donna Aurora Mariel Capi Tupino, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Donald Tupino, and she is escorted by Joshua Capi Sarino, son of Mr. and Mrs. Felipe P. Sarino. And she is sponsored by Purok Pri, Honorable Loya Capi, and Honorable Roxanne Aguirre and the Purok President. So our Queen, Miss Barangay Dawn 2025, Miss Donna Aurora Margil Capi Tupino, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Donald Tupino, escorted by Joshua Capi Sarino, son of Mr. and Mrs. Felipe P. Sarino. It's time to honor the stars that have already shone brightly tonight. Now let's have the pinning of sashes